I look so blue. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Austin.
Hi. It's Saturday. You guys asked for more videos, more daily vlogs, so that's what this is. So good morning. It is 8:30. I actually have to work today. I have a photo shoot all day. So I'm working here. Austin is currently at home. No idea what he's doing.
And this is Coco. Say hi, Coco. Hey. Give me a paw. Hey, give me a paw. And this is Getaway Adventure Vlog.
He was supposed to go for a bike ride. It's supposed to rain. It's windy, so biking in this weather is not fun. You're gonna come along with me as I go to work, and we'll see what Austin's doing.
And all I'm doing is cleaning up this very messy garage that needs it severely. And this one's freaking out because tree trimmers are here and she wants to go outside and supervise. All right, let's get cleaning and see what trouble we can get into. So, any of you people out there who've bought a house and it's a used home, right? Not brand new, you inherit things. And since I moved in, this has been plugged in here. It's plugged into the outlet that the garage door opener runs off of. Buying a used house, you find weird things all the time. Like, for one, they didn't drywall this house very well, so you can see the crack developing. It wasn't there when we moved in. Maybe the house is falling apart now that we moved in. That'd be my luck. Anyways, there's this, and I don't understand. So here's a plug. It's then wired into what looks like, garage door opener wire and runs over there. No idea where it goes. But when I unplug it, nothing changes. So that's gonna go. But I would love to know where it's going. Oh, maybe it's powering. Let's see, Uniput. Sounds like a Ubiquity thing? I don't know, maybe not. I was wondering if it was powering the security system, but it's still janky and sketch, and it is gonna go. Yep, I was right. It went into the wall, into the house, and in the house is our washer and dryer, little laundry room. It goes into this stupid ADT security system. I'm sorry for rambling. I was supposed to go for a bike ride this morning. This should have been a bike vlog, but the weather's pretty crappy and windy. So we didn't get to do that. And Allison's working, so we're just gonna keep moving. I'm gonna shut up. I'll see you in a minute.
Okay, so we finished with 2 clients right now. Now we're waiting for the next one. It is at 10:30. It's 9:58, so I got time to kill. Hope Austin's having fun. Whatever you're doing.
What are the odds? I'm cutting my drywall out because I want to put a water line in the corner of my garage. And what are the odds that there's a lateral brace there, of all places? I guess because it's in the corner, I guess that makes sense. Nowadays you don't do lateral braces. That's not really a thing. You do exterior OSB sheathing, but this building's from the 80s, so they did that. So now I gotta work around it, which it's all right, but it's kind of annoying. I'm just cutting it out, my oscillating blades, doing all right. And Coco's scratching at the door because she's pissed because Foreman wants to be in here watching me. The water line's literally like sitting up here. I could cut a hole here and work it through it. I don't necessarily want to, but I could. It's possible. It's not fun getting in the attic. If you get in the attic for a living, I respect you greatly. Took my old trusty screw gun. I think I need a new one. This one's real tired. My whole saw bit, whole drill bit, and I drilled. Like, it's gonna be really ugly, but it was because the bit was moving around a lot, so I had to kind of work back and forth because this old girl, she's tired. But I'll run the water down. It'll come down. Pressure washer will be right in this vicinity. Then I'm gonna put a fill like right here so I can fill buckets. And it's gonna be hot and cold water so we can give her a bath. And it'd be warm water because we can't bathe her inside. She shakes all over the house. And it's like washing a rug. And look at all that. Look at all that. I know. She's the sweetest dog you'd ever meet. Yeah. Sweet girl. Boom! Didn't even have to go up there. Here's 1, here's 2. Oh, I still have to go up there. Dang. I gotta put the insulation line on everything. It's fine. It's only 1 trip up there. It's not that big of a deal.
Okay. We are on break right now. Well, my next appointment's not till 2 o'clock. So, long lunch break. So I'm gonna head over to Austin's because he's actually at his cousin's, Savannah's, for her birthday. So we're just gonna stop by real quick.
Up into the attic. The weather is just getting worse and worse here. It's really getting pretty bad. Here is my attic. Here's me. I'm gonna run this, just kind of loosely throw it up here. Into the attic we go. It's a lot of work to walk through here, so we gotta be super careful as we work our way through this attic. The truss, trying to only step on truss to bottom cords. If you step on the drywall, you can go right through it, like Clark Griswold in Family Vacation, if you've ever seen that. Okay, I'm really deep in here, so that's the exterior of the wall. It's a water line. This is water line insulated. And it's weird, so this is drywall. These are 2x2s, and then this is the bottom of the truss cord. So there's this gap, which is wonderful for running stuff, and I guess laying on, but I'm just in here. I'm trying to force it under so my roof line changes. So this is like the big girder truss that holds the roof line change. So I'm sliding it under that, but I wanted to make sure it's insulated so it's less likely to have any issues with freezing. We are getting somewhere. Okay, that's it. We gotta go back over here. And I got a basketball game in an hour. It sounds like I'm struggling. Hard work crawling through an attic, like I said. Mad respect to you guys who do it. Up here in the attic. Kind of crazy. I've never been up in an attic when the wind's hitting, but I can feel it. I can feel the house taking the weight. Crazy.
Almost there. And we get to go home. Finished up here at work. Now we're gonna head over to, I'm gonna go home. Weather's horrible. Oh, all right. Time to head back home. Wake up, it's raining and it's Monday. Looks like it's one of those rough days.
Good morning, happy Sunday. Woo! This one's being bossy this morning. Good morning.
Good morning, welcome to another, oh wait, no, actually this is a continuation from yesterday. We just came home after we had dinner after Hudson's game, and now we're about to go on a bike ride. Ooh. We are this company, Spec 9's, one of the best sunglass companies out there. We've never actually tried this Litmus Yellow lens, and it's kind of dark, it's drizzling a little bit, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like through these sunglasses. It probably doesn't do it justice.
It's bright.
But it's just super, it makes everything super bright, like happy go, lucky kind of thing. What are we looking for?
I had 2 bottles, right?
Yeah. The other one's over here. Mr.
I'm bueno.
I need 2 water bottles to go mountain bike riding. I'm just kidding. One's pre-workout from RF Supplements. Click down below and use our discount. One of them is just a hydration mix, which is good for post-workout. We are headed out to the trail, not the trail, but our usual spot where we drop off and go mountain bike riding. So super excited.
Look, if that was that button you just pressed. Yeah.
We're out on a bike ride with Aiden and Maddie, my cousin, and her Tom Selleck lookalike boyfriend. I'm sorry, Aiden, I love you. Good looking bloke. But anyway, we're out for a ride. We're just kind of cruising along. It's Maddie's first mountain bike ride. She's on Allison's YT Decoy e-bike. Have a nice morning. Up, up, up. Oh, this way. No. Yeah, he thinks, yeah. Follow Allison. She's a good register, I feel.
No, this is the easier route. It's not bad.
Go ahead. You got it. Okay. I'll go. You can watch. Oh. Just kidding. I would go wide. Oh, this is easier than the other one, Maddie. Yeah, boom.
Nice, buddy.
Good job, Maddie. Oh, you're putting down so much power, they're coming off. This is as technical as it gets. It gets easier from this.
I think it was just because I stopped.
Yeah.
Stopping's the worst.
Absolutely. Good?
Yep.
Okay. What a beautiful day out. This weather is phenomenal. Muy bueno. How's everybody's face doing?
A little cold.
Cold?
A little cold, but moving your body feels nice.
How are we feeling?
Good.
Yeah, my face is cold. Not gonna lie to you.
My ears are cold, not my face yet.
Oh, really? Oh, I just can't feel my ears, that's why. All right, we'll keep going. So the goal, and if we get too cold, there's another road we can turn off of and head. The truck's right over there. That hill's where we came in on. Across the valley, and what we normally do is this trail kind of climbs, and then we'll go down. We go around that little hump, and there's a fun little trail that's maybe a half-mile long. It's not crazy long, and you climb up this way next to the mine, you know, on the right, and then you go back down, over, and then we'll climb out. It'll be fun. You want to lead, Allison? Go. You lead. You know where we're going.
Home?
Oh, say home. You good? Atta girl. Good job, Maddie.
You hit that like a pro. Wait, you like that kind of stuff back there?
Yeah.
Then it sounds like you like mountain biking.
Uh-huh. You like Sedona then. Sedona looks a lot like this. More, a little rockier.
Yeah.
Not gnarly, but
That's the kind of stuff when we say we go mountain biking.
yeah. Yep. This is just like a mellow mellow XC ride, really.
Right.
We're XC riding on enduro trail bikes. And
Downhill bike.
yeah. All right, everybody feeling okay?
Nice, Daddy. Good job. You're good. Good job. Nice. Out of shape on the analog. I need to start riding more on this bike. Prepare for Sedona. I forgot how much lighter this is compared to my e-bike. You're doing great. So we're gonna go this way? Yeah. Him and you will go that way. Oh, gotcha. Okay.
You can go there.
No, I need to catch my breath. Ooh, you're good. Good job, Maddie.
That's all, folks. All right, Coco, where are we going? Going to see the new house?
Yeah, you can see your cousin's house.
You would have thought we told her she'd won the lottery. She was so excited when we said she was going. She loves car ride.
Oh yeah. Even just sitting in the car, like going to Lowe's. She loves them.
Yeah, we go to Lowe's. I just leave her in the truck, crack the window, and I come back out, and she's just
Hyped.
staring at me.
We're vlogging again. If you guys don't know, this is Harper Reagan. She's been in our videos.
Yeah. Soon
All right.
to be niece.
What?
Maybe gonna be niece.
What? Do you know something I don't?
No.
Oh, Coco, you got in the way! Oh, nice! Nice!
Hi, are we ending the video?
Yeah, we're ending the video.
Hi, this is the end. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
We went over to the new house, my brother-in-law and sister's house, and it's beautiful.
Yeah.
We spent all day figuring out what they're gonna do. So it was one of those days, and then we only got home a little bit ago.
Yeah.
And it's 38 degrees. And we live in Southern California. And it's SoCal, but we're on the other side from Ontario.
We might get snow tonight. Who knows?
It's possible. So if we get snow, we'll show you in the morning. Otherwise, goodbye. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, good. Thank you. Like, comment, let us know.
We're gonna work on our outros.
I'm sorry, it's been a while, but we'll see you guys next time. Have a good night.
Till the next match.